we will learn how to reset a Lenovo ThinkPad. If you forgot the password or if the Chromebook is not working properly or malfunctioning, then you can reset and it will become like a new Chromebook. So how we can do that? So before get started, please make sure to insert the power connection. Okay. So first what you will do, press ESC, this one, and power button. Here there is no power button, but if you look here, there is a power button here. Okay. So we need to press and hold these three buttons simultaneously. Yep. When the display come back, then release all of those. Now it says Chrome operating system is missing or damaged. Please insert a recovery USB stick or SD card. But we can do otherwise. You do not need to insert USB stick or SD card. How we can do that? Press Ctrl Alt and D. Ctrl Alt and D. So these three buttons. Now what we need to do? We need to press enter. It is coming back. Press space to re-enable. Now we need to again press enter. Now your system will reboot and local data will be cleared. So the Chromebook will delete all of the data. So before doing that, please make sure to transfer all of the data to other places. Now it's coming back and it will be like a new Chromebook. This method works for any Lenovo Chromebook, any model of Lenovo Chromebook. So now you can enter your email address, or we can browse as a guest. So if you browse as a guest now, so yeah, it's working now, and it's working now. So this is my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.